everybody, Smell C back again. I'm back with a retail / hobby break. I got 3 of these hanger boxes. They have 2015 Topps Mini Chrome. They have 3 hobby packs from that. And it's got a Panini Red, White, and Blue pack also. Now, Blowout Cards had these on sale for like $8.50, which is a pretty good deal because these were, I think, like $12.99 or $11.99 in stores. So I think that's what they're at right now, price-wise. So can't pass up picking up Chrome football, even though it's a mini. It's a lot of fun to break. So let's do break pop. I have I hit a gold refractor auto out of these before, so there's a chance to get some decent hits. We'll start with the Panini pack first. We got Art Monk, old school, Kaepernick, and Greg Little. All right. I'm looking for a gold refractor. I don't care if it's auto. I love gold refractors. We got Sanders, Frank Gore, Kelsey, and Melvin Gordon rookie. Not a bad rookie. Not sure if there was variations in the minis. I'll have to look that up. We got Ingram, had a good season this year. Tannehill, and a backward card. Got a Pyramid rookie camo, and that is numbered 44 out of 99. Yeah, that's a good thing about these. There's a lot smaller print runs, so most of the show number cards are low numbered. All right, and we got a Pyramid rookie card. So 2 rookie cards in that pack with the camo. Alright, next pack, Golden Tate, Jason Witten, Marcus Peterson rookie, and this is, I forget what they call that one. It is not numbered, as a not numbered parallel and mini. And Dominic Brown. Alright, a 1 serial number card, Peter's kind of nice. Here's a box 2. Wow, do this red, white, and blue. Charles Sims, rookie. Bolden. Jerry Rice, cool. Red, white, and blue. Pretty good looking design. Alright, pack 1, box 2. Carson Palmer, just retired. Vincent Jackson. There we go. PC hit there. AJ Green. It's the Sepia. This is another not numbered. Jalen Strong rookie. Alright, I'm happy with that AJ. I don't think I have that one. I'll have to see how many I have. Maybe I should try to put the rainbow together. Benjamin. Mario. Jay Ajayi super rookie. And Alex Carter rookie. So getting a lot of rookies. Not 1, 2, 3 different refractors. Got Peterson, Des Bryant, Jamal Charles, and Matt Jones rookie. Alright, last box. Last chance to get a hit. Let's see if we can get an auto out of this last box. At least a low number parallel. Alright, red, white, and blue. Kristen Ponder, Thomas, and Franco Harris. Alright, pack 1, last box here. Get some color refractor here. Oh, got a backwards card. Jordan Matthews, Willis, number 16, Andy Dalton, black. Not my favorite player on the Bengals. But nice low numbered, 15. The Bengal box is doing pretty well on the Bengals. Kevin White, rookie card. Tom Brady, Mini Chrome, Houston, and a Landon Collins rookie. Alright, last pack. Bernard, another Bengal, Cutler, Murray, and PJ Williams. So that's the break. We got a bunch of rookies. I like that Gordon. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The J Super Rookie. 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10. So 9 base rookies and 1 super rookie. That's a lot. And then we got a couple. We got the AJ Green Sepia and Peters rookie. What do we call that? Then we got a camo rookie of Pyramid and the Andy Dalton number to 15. So two serial number cards, a bunch of rookies. I'll pick these up all the time if I can find them under $10. I definitely recommend if you can find them $10. No hit this time, but definitely some decent value in there. So that's it for this break of 2015 Topps Mini Chrome. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.